Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to connect Vantage account to MetaTrader 5. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then sign up or log in to your account. I'm already logged in. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Manage Accounts and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now tap on the search bar and search for Vantage. You will see a few options here. Select the option where your account is located. For example, if you have a Vantage FX account, open it the same way. It will then ask for your login and password. After filling in the details, click on Sign In at the bottom. If the account is valid, your MetaTrader 5 will successfully connect with Vantage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.